Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can open TikTok on mute, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and let's without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, you're first simply gonna go ahead and access your particular TikTok app. Afterwards, simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon that is just given right below the corner, and then this kind of interface is gonna pop up. Right, simply go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner. Now go ahead, tap on this option called settings and privacy. Now here in this section you can find this mini option, including this option called playback below the content preference. And now you will find this option called open TikTok on mute. Videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. Tap to unmute videos or use your device's volume controls. Go ahead, turn it on, and that way you will simply be able to access a particular TikTok with your mute on. If you want to turn it off, again come to over here, tap on this icon, and you simply will be able to turn it off and control it again. That is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.